Good morning everyone and welcome back to Project Ford UK. I'm Danny and today we're going to be finding out if the Citroen Saxo is a keeper or a scrapper. I've had the battery for the car on charge, which I've got in the Berlingo with me now. I'm going to go over to the Saxo, fit the battery, get it running and also get the tyres pumped up, get it down to the garage and see how we get on from there. The freshly charged up battery's on, it still won't start. Starter motor won't turn over. I've tested the battery and it's looking like it's not got enough power in it. I wrapped all the roof up as well the other week so I could get it dry inside over the cracked windscreen. It looks a mess, but I had to stop it from getting wet inside because there were mushrooms going in the footwell, but it seems to have done the job. Right, the car's jump started, the power steering isn't working, seatbelt's not working, keeps popping out. Oh no, we're in. Seatbelt doesn't work properly. Oh, we're in now. I just hope I can take it off in a minute. This is the first time I've properly drove the Saxo up. Oh, you're having a laugh. It's just cut out. Oh, gutted. Right, I have to get Berlingo right back again. Got to give this car plenty of revs now, don't want it stalling on me again. Let's try and get this seatbelt in. This is my first proper drive of it. Seatbelt's locked in now. I'm absolutely roasting, I'm wet through. I just hope it doesn't stall when I'm taking it to the garage now. We've got to keep them revs going. Still no power steering. Please don't. No. Hey, it drives well. Bit rattly. Well, very rattly. I can hear all the tape on the roof fluttering in the wind. But apart from that and the power steering not working and people pulling out on me, it drives well. Honestly, that was manic, that. It's like, it's roasting. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I jump it and then I have to move the car out of the way so I can get this out, and then I stall it, so then I have to do it all again. I think sometimes, why do I bother? But it's because I love it, and hopefully by the end of today they'll be turning around saying, oh no, the Saxo's like brand new, it's a keeper, don't scrap it. Honestly, it goes, the car goes. It's just whether it's actually structurally safe. Guys, I think I love it. No modern car feels like this. It's like, they just feel real. I've got a cracked screen. I don't know what's going on with this car, but engine management lights just come on. It's the least of my worries, I think. I've just had a phone call from the garage now. They've had it all day. I don't know if it took them that long to write everything down that's wrong with it. But I'm going to go and pick it up and we'll see what he's got written down on his list. Right, I've picked the car up. He's done me a big list of everything that's wrong with it. The good news is that it's not too bad. I'm going to go through now what he's got on the list. And yeah, let's see how we've got on. First up, he said we've got an headlight out. He says these trims are pretty loose, which I know about. They all need the clips taken off. Well, sorry, taken off, re-clipping and bonding back on. The wheel nut that's missing. The engine management light that's on inside, he said is the second lambda sensor. It's not plugged in, it's just missing. The power steering pump needs a new one. He said the one that's on it now is from a scrapyard. It's got a date written on it. He said 9 times out of 10 they're broke anyway. These lights need to come off. They are illegal. The front and back number plates need to be done. He said the car's structurally sound. There's a few bits that have been welded that do need treating before they get any surface rust on them or anything like that. But like I say, even though the car looks a bit baggy now, he's going to send me through a full list of what's wrong with the car. It's all bits. Honestly, a couple of £100. I thought they were going to ring me up and tell me to scrap the car, but after what he's just told me then in the garage, honestly, it's a keeper, boys and girls. I weren't expecting to be saying this today, but yeah, like I say, the car's going to have a bit of money spent on it now. I'm going to start getting bits for it. He's noticed about the lock. Do you know, I'm going to have to get a door for that. I think it's just easier. Same with the bonnet and the roof. That can be fixed. Get that sunroof sealed in next. But at least I know he's put some tape on here to hold these on. Hopefully the arches aren't rotted behind it, but as you can tell in my voice, I'm absolutely buzzing with the result today. I genuinely thought it was going to be bad news, but it's not. I reckon a couple of £100 can sort this car out. It's only done 80 odd thousand miles. Get it looking absolutely mint. Keep tuned for future videos. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Any comments on the car, put them in the comment section below. Bit of an oil leak as well, I forgot to mention, but as soon as he emails me over this list of what's wrong with the car, I'll get it uploaded and do a video on it. So I'll see you next time.